How to make small talk. What is small talk? Small talk is light, informal conversation. It is commonly used when you're talking to someone you don't know very well, such as guests on your tour. How to make small talk. There are two strategies that will help you make small talk in any situation. First, ask open-ended questions. Most people enjoy talking about themselves. Not only is talking about ourselves our favorite subjects, but it's also easier to discuss yourself than something you know little about. Open-ended questions keeps the communication dynamic, interesting, and encourage the person you're speaking with to open up.
Here are some sample open-ended questions. Weather. Although talking about the weather may seem boring, it is a good, safe topic that everyone can discuss. Lovely day, don't you think? Looks like it's going to rain. Did you order this beautiful weather? Food. What is your favorite food? Have you tried Indonesian food? What is your favorite fruit? Have you tried durian? Travel. Ask guests about their favorite travel spots and what they recommend. Most people like to help and will be happy to share their experiences. When did you arrive in Indonesia? Is this your first time in Indonesia? Where have you been so far? How long will you stay? Hometown. In a small talk situation, you can ask guests about their hometown. Where are you from? How far away is that from? And then you can name a city from their country here. What is the name of their city well known for?
Second, practice active listening.
Make sure you always keep eye contact, smile, and nod your head to show them that you're very interested in their answers.